Here's how to set up your iPhone SE 3rd generation manually. That's if you don't have a current iPhone to transfer data across to it. So the first thing we need to do is power it up and then tap on the home button. And then we need to select our preferred language. So I'm going to choose English, and then I'll select United Kingdom for my region. And then we need to choose set up manually. We do have an option to bring our current iPhone with us, but I'm assuming that you don't have a current iPhone, we're going to set up manually. So let's tap on set up manually. And now we need to select our Wi-Fi account. So let's select mine. And let's put my password in. And then after that, tap on join. Okay, so that's connected, and then we tap on next. Just a note about data privacy, so let's tap on continue. And now we can set up Touch ID. We can set up Touch ID later if you want, but it is very good. So I'm going to set up Touch ID now, so let's tap on continue. And then we need to place our finger and lift and rest our finger repeatedly on the home button. I'm going to use my thumb because I prefer using my thumb for the Touch ID. So let's do that. And that's complete. Tap on continue. And now we need to enter our passcode. And now we get the option whether we want to transfer data from our old iPhone or not. But in this case, we're not going to do that. So don't transfer apps and data, and then sign in with the Apple ID to use iCloud, the App Store, and the Apple iOS services. So we can do that now. If you don't have one, you can create one by tapping on here. Well, let me just show you that. You can create a free Apple ID here. Okay. Now, if you already own another Apple device, such as an iPhone, iPad, or Apple Mac, you may get this pop-up verification message like I have, which is another layer of security. And all you need to do is enter a verification code, which will be sent to your other Apple device. Okay. And then we get to the terms and conditions, and we can just tap on agree. I've already read these. Keep your iPhone up to date. Okay, let's continue. Allow maps, yeah, I'd like that because I do use Google Maps. So let's enable location services. And Apple Pay, I'll set that up later. iCloud keychain, I won't use that for now, so don't use iCloud keychain. Now Siri is very good, so I'm going to use that. Okay. Improve Siri dictation. I'll leave that for now. Get a weekly insights. Yeah, okay, I think that'd be okay. Weekly report to see if I'm using my phone too much or not enough. Continue. iPhone analytics. I won't share that for now. And option between light or dark. I like the light, so continue on that. Standard display zoom. Yeah, I go for the standard. Welcome to iPhone, get started. So that's it all set up, and I will be doing some more tech guides for the iPhone SE 3. So please subscribe for those, and if you like this video, please thumbs it up as well. And thanks for watching.